It's time to reflect on the journey we've all shared, celebrate our accomplishments, and embrace the future that is set before us.
Ipagpasalamat niyo po kay Lord na kayo ay nakaupo ngayon kasama ng inyong parents. Yapusin niyo po ang nanay ninyo at ang tatay niyo. By the Department of Education, spearheaded by our Division Superintendent, Dr. Edita M. Atendido, I hereby declare you graduates for this school year 2024-2025.